Hello friends, today we will learn about the coastal plains and the islands. India's varied physical features include the coastal plains and islands. Two major islands groups, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands, lie in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. On the eastern and western edges of the Indian peninsula, there are narrow coastal plains. The total length of these plains is about 6,000 km. Coastal plains are divided into two, the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These include parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. The width of these coastal plains is not the same everywhere. The average width is about 125 km. The eastern coastal region is divided into two parts. The northern circles the Coromandel Coast. The major rivers of this region are the Mahanadi in Odisha, the Godavari and Krishna in Andhra Pradesh, and the Kaveri in Tamil Nadu. All these rivers flow in the southeast direction and fall into the Bay of Bengal. They form large deltas which are very fertile. Rice is grown here. The main occupation of the people is agriculture and fishing. The Coromandel Coast receives rain in winter and is often hit by cyclones. Do you know Chilika Lake, which lies in Odisha, is a bird sanctuary and more than 116 species of birds are seen here in the peak season. The important ports of this region are Paradeep in Odisha, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Chennai and Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry, which is a union territory. Do you know Box? Puducherry is famous for the Aurobindo Ashram and has rightly been called by late Jawaharlal Nehru as the window of French culture. The Western Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains lie between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea and stretch from Gujarat to Kerala. This region includes the coastal areas of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The western coastal plain is narrower in width and has denser vegetation as compared to the eastern coastal plain. The average width is about 65 km. The western coast can be divided into three groups. First one, the Konkan coast. Second one, the Kannada plains. And third one, the Malabar coast. The Konkan coast is about 530 km long and 30 to 50 km wide. The Kannada plains is 525 km long and 8 to 25 km wide. It is the narrowest part of the western coastal plains. The Malabar coast is about 550 km long and 20 to 100 km wide. It is characterized with backwaters and lagoons and lies to the south of the Konkan coast. Lagoons are saltwater lakes which are separated from the main sea by sand rock or sand. This area is humid and receives very heavy rainfall in the monsoon season. Kochi is an important port in this region. Comparison between the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains, they lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. The western coastal plains, these are narrow. Eastern coastal plains, these are comparatively wider. Then, rain in summer. Eastern coastal plains, rain in winter. Fourth one, the upper part is called Konkan coast and the middle part is called Kannada plains. The upper part is called Northern Circus. The lower part is called Malabar coast. The lower part is called Coromandel coast. Sixth one, comprises of the state of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. Comprises of the states of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh in Tamil Nadu. Then western coastal plains, rivers do not deltas. The eastern coastal plains, the rivers make fertile deltas, for example, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Then life of the people. India has a very long coastline and the people living here are mainly fishing. In those regions where the soil is fertile and receives adequate rainfall, rice is also grown. The islands of India can be divided as islands of the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, islands of the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are believed to be the extensions of the mountain system of the northeastern part of the country. Some of them are volcanic in origin. They are around 300 islands in all. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a union territory of India. The end point of these islands was called Indira Point, but it sank in the tsunami of 2004. Port Blair is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Amazing fact, dugong, also known as sea cow, it is the state of animal Andaman and Nicobar Island. In an area of about 32 square kilometer, there are total of about 36 islands. Union Territory of India, Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. This is the smallest Union Territory of India. Kavaratti is the capital. Coconut is the major crop, but other crops like rice, jackfruit and vegetables are also grown here. Life of people, Lakshadweep Islands. The people Lakshadweep Islands consist of 4 main communities, Koyas, Malmis and Malcheris. The majority of the people follow Islam. All the communities follow their own rituals, but take part in the other festivals and live in harmony. The bulk of the population originates from immigrants who came here during the colonial times, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They consist mainly of Bengali, Hindustani and Tamil backgrounds. About 1,000 of the people also consist of the aboriginal inhabitants. Comparison of Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands located in the Arabian Sea. Andaman Nicobar Islands located in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands, they are closer to the coast. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are far away from coast. Lakshadweep Islands, they are formed for corals. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are of volcanic origin. Fourth one, islands are less number 36. Islands are more in number 300. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let us summarize. The coastal plains lie along the eastern and western coast of India. Second one, eastern coastal plains are broader than the western coastal plains. Third one, the eastern coastal plains consist of the northern Circus and the Coromandel coast. Then the western coastal plains consist of the Konkan coast, the Kannada plains and the Malabar coast. Fifth one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. The end point of these islands was the Indira Point, but it sank in the tsunami 2004. Last one, the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea.